Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn math effectively, drawing on principles from Joe Boaler's work. First, cultivate a growth mindset. Believe your math abilities can grow with effort. Next, view mistakes as powerful learning tools, not failures. Finally, prioritize understanding concepts deeply rather than simply memorizing formulas. This approach will transform your math learning experience. Don't give up on a problem too quickly. Persist for at least 10 minutes, even if it feels difficult. This persistence strengthens your neural pathways. Actively link new mathematical ideas to what you already know, creating a richer understanding. Furthermore, try to visualize math concepts. Drawing diagrams or building models can make abstract ideas much more concrete and accessible. Seek out different ways to solve a single math problem. This flexibility builds a robust understanding and shows you the interconnectedness of ideas. Talking about math with others, explaining your thought process, or listening to theirs significantly enhances your learning. Consistent practice is also key. Dedicate 20 to 30 minutes each day to reinforce concepts and build fluency. Regularly revisit your past mistakes and understand where you went wrong. This reflective practice is crucial for long-term retention and improvement. Working with peers on challenging problems can also provide new perspectives and shared learning. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your study sessions. Check the description for a link to the Boaler water bottle and other great deals. Consistent effort and a supportive environment will truly transform your math journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.